Okay, this is a little quick video on fixing the door handle. The door handles came like this on this, so there's no cylinder or plunger to push in there. If you look in there, you can see this little thing in there. That's what actually opens the door. So let's go around the other side where I've already worked. So what you do is, now I have it with the plunger in. You can see I bought those online, and this is what you put in there. You just take this and you put this, you put this in here from this side actually, and then you put the spring on, etc. The only problem with this is when it came, this part here is just too long, so I cut it off right about there, and then when it's back on the door, you can just push it in and it'll push that plunger in like this. See, the door's closed. You push the plunger in and it opens. So there you go. That's another thing to do.